Hello students, today in English 2 we are going to start chapter 5 Magnificent Mary. In the recent past, India has witnessed an increase in the number of women athletes taking part in national and international sporting events. Athletes such as Sania Mirza, Jwala Gutta and Shaina Nehwal have won several laurels for the country. Amongst them, one woman has done the nation extremely proud is MC Mary Kom, popularly known as Magnificent Mary. Mary Kom's full name is Mangte Chungnichang Mary Kom. She was born on 1st March 1983 in Manipur. Her parents were poor farmers who worked hard on their fields to feed their children. Mary's family belonged to the Kom tribe, a tribal community from the northeastern state of Manipur. So, Mary Kom's full name is Mangte Chungnichang Mary Kom, and she was born on 1st March 1983 in Manipur. And her parents were very poor farmers who worked hard to earn their livelihood to feed their children. And Mary belongs to the Kom tribe, a tribal community from the northeastern state of Manipur. She is the only female to become world amateur boxing champion for a record 6 times. The only female boxer to have won a medal in each one of the first 7 world championships, and the only boxer to win 8 world championship medals, and nickname is Magnificent Mary. So children, all of you know about Mary Kom? Yes. So let us read more about Mary Kom. Mary studied at Loktak Christian Model High School, Moirang. After school, she used to go to the fields and help her parents. She later joined Adim Jati High School, Imphal for her higher schooling. However, Mary failed to clear her exams. So Mary studied at Loktak Christian Model High School, which is in Moirang. After school, she used to go to the fields and help her parents. She later on joined Adim Jati High School, which is in Imphal, for higher schooling. But Mary failed to clear her exams. Not wanting to reappear for the exams, Mary left her school. She then appeared for a private examination from the National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS, Imphal. So she don't want to reappear in the exams again. So Mary left her school and she gave the private examination from the National Institute of Open Schooling, which is in Imphal. It was from Churachandpur College that Mary completed her graduation. After her graduation, Mary at times helped her father in the fields and at times tended to the animals. When Mary was in school, she used to play football. She used to play football and hockey. She was very passionate about sports. Later in 2000, when Ding Dinko Singh, another renowned boxer from Manipur, rose to fame. Mary decided to become a boxer. She approached M. Narjit Singh, Manipur state boxing coach, and soon started training under him. So it was from Churachandpur College that Mary completed her graduation. After her graduation, Mary at times helped her father also in the field and also take care of the animals. When Mary was in school, she used to play football and hockey. She was very passionate and she likes to play sports, different types of sports. Later in 2000, when Dinko Singh, another famous boxer from Manipur, became famous and got a high name, she also decided to become a boxer. And she approached M. Narjit Singh, Manipur state boxing coach, and soon started training under him. At first, Mary had to face a lot of obstacles in her path. Being a girl, her father was refused to support her. He did not want her to continue her training. He was of the opinion that boxing was a sport played by men. Mary's friends and relatives discouraged her from continuing her pursuits too. However, an adamant Mary refused to bow down to the demands of her father, relatives, and friends. No one could associate the petite Mary with a gigantic sport like boxing. However, an undeterred Mary carried on. Undeterred here means continue with something despite setbacks. She put in all her investments and directed all her energies towards her training. Mary would often observe the other players practicing and learned from them. So, Mary's father refused to support her. He did not want her to continue her training. He was in the opinion that boxing was the sports only played by a man. A woman should not play this kinds of sports. And Mary's friends, relatives, everybody discouraged her from continuing her dreams. However, Mary did not lose heart and did not bow down to her father's advice. She did what she wanted. Mary, with a full confidence, joined to boxing. She put all her investments and directed all her energies towards her training. Mary would often observe the other players practicing and learned from them. Mary put all her sincere efforts for boxing. Mary's efforts paid off when she emerged winner in the state women's boxing championship held in Manipur. She then went ahead to win the regional championship in West Bengal in the year 2000. Rest of the details about Mary Kom we will read in our next class, in our next video. Till then, children, you read the whole story of Mary Kom by yourself once again. Thank you.